It's a clear win for Jack Phillips of Denver, who said baking a cake for a same-sex couple would violate his Christian beliefs, forcing him to express a view through the artistry of his cakes that he opposes.
All of my life is tied to my religious beliefs. This is an extension of it.
When he turned down David Mullins and Charlie Craig, who wanted a cake for their wedding celebration, they sued.
We hope that people now know that our case wasn't some isolated incident, that this happens to people in every kind of business every day.
Colorado said Phillips violated a state law that bans discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation. But today, by a 7-2 vote, the Supreme Court said Phillips wins because Colorado didn't take his religious claim seriously enough.
The court said that religious freedom is an important value that needs to be weighed in deciding these cases. It doesn't tip the scale one way or the other, but it puts it back on the scale.
But the ruling was a win for Phillips only and said nothing about whether florists, photographers, and other businesses have the religious freedom to refuse service to same-sex couples.
They were absolutely looking for a ruling that said that businesses like this bakery have a right to discriminate. And they didn't get that from this court, not even close.
Justice Anthony Kennedy, who wrote the majority opinion, said those disputes must be resolved with tolerance to sincere religious beliefs without subjecting gay persons to indignities.
The big question about whether cakes are free speech, whether photographers could be protected in not serving same-sex weddings, is completely unanswered today, to the disappointment of both sides.
While today's vote was 7-2, the court is probably closely divided on this religious freedom issue. So when the next case gets here, the outcome will likely depend on whether Justice Anthony Kennedy intends to retire at this end of the term or stay on.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.